In this series, I'm building a Linux sysadmin lab from the ground up. I'll be starting with the VMs so I can easily break things, document the process, and build the real admin skills before moving into bare metal and Kubernetes. So I'm going to be installing a VM. If you already have a VM, just skip to the time. And so let's begin. All right, we're going to name this Linux-admin-lab, and then make sure that you get the right ISO. Click next, next, and let's give it 4,996 megabytes, 2 cores, that size is good. Click next, and make sure that yours looks like mine. Click finished. And it's going to power up the VM and start installing. Okay, now that we're in the installer, I'm going to go ahead, click English. I'm going to continue without updating for now. Hit done, done again, done, done, and all the way down. We're not going to encrypt this. And then done again. Click continue. My name. You're going to put in your name. Then you're going to put in Linux-admin lab. You're going to pick your username. And then you're going to choose a password. Hit done. And then we're going to install Open SSH server. And then click done. We're not going to use any of these options this time. So all the way down and done. So we're installing and we'll be back once it's done. And we're back. Go ahead, type in your username and your password and then hit enter. So the first thing that I like to do before starting any server is to update it. So we're going to type in sudo apt update. And since we're using sudo, we need to type in our password again to gain root privileges. All right, now that we're updated, we're going to type in sudo apt upgrade and then press enter. And you're not going to need to put in your password again because it's already en route. Just type in Y and it'll get updated. Now that we're all updated, the first command we're going to learn is who am I? And that's going to put your username right there. Next, we're going to type in host name, and that's going to give you the server name. Next, it's going to be IP space A, and that'll give you your IP address. So the next command is going to be ping, P-I-N-G, and we're going to ping google.com. Press enter, and we're going to get a response. That's telling us that Google is up and we are connected to the internet with this PC. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, we are going to be setting up SSH, and I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and get this thing connected to your desktop so you don't have to go into the virtual box every time. All right, follow for more.